What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making crawfish boudin balls. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need crawfish tails, boudin, pepper jack cheese, green bell pepper, celery, yellow onion, green onion, jalapeño, eggs, minced garlic, flour, plain panko breadcrumbs, shrimp and crab barrel, Creole seasoning, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. We're going to begin by shredding 2 cups of pepper jack cheese, dice a jalapeno, chop up 2 stalks of celery, chop 2 stalks of green onion, dice a half a green bell pepper, dice 1/4 of yellow onion, Next, cook boudin according to the directions on your package. In a skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add trinity of celery, green bell pepper, and onions, and cook until translucent. Add jalapeños, add crawfish tails, add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, add a half cup of shrimp and crab oil, season the taste with Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Allow to cook for 5 minutes. Next, remove the skin of the boudin and place your boudin in a large bowl. Add crawfish and fold in. Add 2 cups of pepper jack cheese and fold in. Form boudin balls and place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. Add 1 cup of flour in a bowl, season with Creole Seasoning, and whisk. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of plain Panko breadcrumbs, season with Creole Seasoning, and whisk. Add 2 eggs to a separate bowl and whisk. Now we're going to coat our boudin balls. Coat boudin balls in egg wash, shake off any excess egg wash, then coat in the flour, back into the egg wash, and then into the breadcrumbs. Fry boudin balls until golden brown. And there you have it, crawfish boudin balls. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them in Memphis be cooking.